We at Norgon recognize that technicians are most efficient when they can perform a majority of their work from a single application. That's why we've made it easier to view service and repair information directly from JPRO without opening a separate window or application. Please note, this feature requires a subscription to NextStep Repair. To start, we must enter our NextStep Repair credentials into JPRO. Navigate over to the Application Settings button in JPRO's toolbar. Next, select the Preferences option, then the NextStep tab. Enter your NextStep Repair license key, and you're all set. While troubleshooting in fault guidance, you may see a link to NextStep Repair. Clicking this link will open the relevant NextStep Repair procedure. And because this launches within fault guidance, you still have access to JPRO's features and live vehicle data. This is especially beneficial in situations where NextStep Repair asks you to confirm a value or send a bidirectional command to the vehicle. And now you're all set to pair your troubleshooting and repair applications together for faster, more effective repairs.